Docs gang, we are back. We have returned. How are we doing? I hope you guys are staying safe. I hope you're staying healthy. I know it's really crazy outside right now, so make sure you guys are being safe and whatnot. But today we are going to be making a Travis Scott x Don Toliver type beat, because I know Don Toliver dropped an album. I think it's called Heaven or Hell. But I got to tack on the Travis Scott type beat because, you know, views and that. So yeah, but it is what it is. I was listening to Don Toliver's album. It was actually pretty decent. I'm not gonna lie, it was pretty decent. So we're kind of trying to emulate something from that. I mean, also the reason why I tacked on the Travis Scott type beat, not only for views, but also, I mean, their styles are pretty similar. There's like auto-tune, a dark melodic kind of thing going on in their beats. So yeah, we're gonna try and emulate that. So yeah, there's a nice preset that I used in my Uzi video that I kind of want to use for this video, but it is what it is. We're just gonna make a dark melody, make a nice little beat, and yeah. I'm just rambling right now. So if you haven't done so already, guys, come on, subscribe to the channel. There's only 27% of you who watch my videos that are subscribed to the channel. Like, that is unacceptable. I'm sorry. I don't know how else to put it. That is unacceptable. You need to subscribe to the channel. Like, I don't know how else to say it. Just hit the subscribe button, okay? I know you like my videos, and if you want to see them and you don't want to miss one, because you're not going to want to miss one, okay? So make sure you hit the subscribe button, all right? You're not gonna be disappointed, all right? There's nothing stopping you from subscribing. I mean, you might not have a YouTube channel or a YouTube account or a Google account. Well, make one and subscribe, okay? Also, don't forget to like the video and share with your friends. I'm gonna really need you to like the video, okay, guys? It's also very important. But yeah, let's just get into this video. Yeah, I got FL Studio open here, and we're just gonna go ahead and straight into it, you know? So let's get into it, yeah. All right, let's open up Omnisphere, get this dark melody going, you know what I mean? I mean, I would take off these glasses, but I just look too damn good, you know what I mean? Oh, we gotta show the headband, hold up. All right, nice. Now we got a nice melody going. It's a pretty cool melody. Let's pitch this up and down. Actually, let me see if I can find any other good ones.
12 seconds later.
All right, now listen for a nice sound that's like dark, but I don't know. It just fits the vibe. I just don't know how to describe it. Let's just clone this real quick. I want to get a nice, please don't crash yet. Alright, you know what? Let's add a memoriam bell. That just suits the vibe. Wait, is Nexus gonna work? Oh, please, Nexus, please. Can you work today? And it doesn't. Great. Alright, so guys, I think this is a pretty cool melody. I like this. It sounds pretty cool. I'm probably going to use that. So let's go straight to the drums and alright, so that's what I'm gonna have for the snare and the hi-hats for now. Now it's time to move on to sub bass. So let's open up Citrus. Alright, that's cool. Now we need to turn this up because this is really, really quiet. Oh yeah, and one thing I like to do with this sub bass is EQ out some of the highs because the highs kind of sound weird in this sometimes. Cool. Kicks now. We need the kicks. We need the kicks. We need the kicks. Kicks. You know what? I'm gonna just leave it there, guys. This beat is perfectly fine. I like how it is. I don't want to mess it up. I don't want to waste more time just looking for pointless counter melodies because I just feel like I just don't need that many counter melodies. So, if you like the video, leave a like. Don't forget to comment, share, like, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, okay? I know you're watching. If you don't have a YouTube account, make a YouTube account. Subscribe to this channel, all right? Or if you have an account and you just don't want to subscribe and you're being stubborn, just subscribe. Like, I just do it. Like, I don't get it. Why are you hating? Just subscribe, all right? It's not gonna do anything to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got to the end of the video, I really appreciate that. And don't forget to also join the Discord, okay? Because the Discord's lit. So, yeah, we'll see you on the next one, and peace.
Unorthodox.